Here in this video, we are going to see sometimes we click on any folder and we uh, click on the delete icon. It without confirmation it was deleted. So if you want to get a dialog box confirming that should you want to delete it or not, first of all you have to go there and right click on it. Right click on it and you can see show more options. Then you have to go on properties. Here you can see display delete confirmation dialog. You have to check this dialog and then you have to apply an OK. Then whenever you delete your any item, you will see it asks a confirmation bar. You can see here. That's all. Thank you.